I've used a lot of bags over the years, some expensive, some budget, some that didn't even survive a single trip. But this weekend I'm taking the LuggeX to see how it stacks up against everything I've ever used.
And let's just say, I didn't go easy on it. And while the brand sent me this suitcase to review, all opinions on this video are mine.
Now to truly test it, I've got to pack it. Now my quick first impressions of it is that it's a nice hard shell. It's got a handle on the top and on the side for easy lifting. The wheels work very well, and that is very important to me when I'm looking for luggage. But the biggest difference to any other luggage I've ever used is it has no zippers. So it just has a simple button, almost like a briefcase. Unsnap it and open it up. Now I know this is like a big new thing in luggage, and I'm really curious to test it out and see if I like it too. This is the 24-inch zipperless suitcase in charcoal gray. It's a very similar size to my medium away suitcase, so I'm gonna pack it similarly to how I do that one. Just looking at it visually, this side is a little bit deeper than this side, so I'm gonna go put my clothes on this side. Packing cubes for life. That's perfect, and I've still got a little bit of space up top, so if I wanted to add like a sweater or a jacket or something right here, I could absolutely do that. Go ahead, strap it in. Pull it tight. Cool. Now on this side is gonna go everything else. So on this side I've got my shoes, 2 bags of toiletries, and more packing cubes with my bra, socks, and underwear. And there's honestly still plenty of space on both sides for me to add in extra things. In the divider here, you've got 2 pockets, one right here and one right here, where I'm gonna go ahead and add in my air tag. Since this is a checked piece of luggage, I definitely always want to know where it is when I'm traveling through the airport. And this is the part that is super new to me. Ah, that was loud. There's no zipper. All I do is go click, click, and it's completely done. Okay, let's go.
Now, I do quickly want to point out just a few features I haven't mentioned yet. You'll see here that the wheels are actually spring-loaded spinner wheels, and this helps minimize vibrations, enhance durability, and reduces rolling resistance between different surfaces like carpet, tiles, pavement, etc. Next is that the outer hard shell, which I mentioned before, is actually reinforced with aluminum, and it has these corner guards to help for impact resistance. The latches on their front are TSA approved, and you're able to set your own locking number combination. And this is the 24-inch check-in sized bag. It weighs around 10 pounds without anything packed in it, and it's packing capacity is about 72 liters.
I just got back from my trip and the suitcase held up really well. It went through multiple airports, trains, taxis, through the hotel, and it still looks brand new. Like honestly, I know I've only used it one time, but it still looks really good. There's really no like scratches or dings or anything on it. I'm still getting used to the no zipper thing. Like I do think that not having the seams on the side is a really great feature, and it means that it's like less likely to just like break and rip open at any random part of your suitcase. I just have only ever had zipper suitcases, so it's just a feature that I'm still getting used to, but honestly, it works great.
But now I want to have a little bit of fun and see how it actually holds up. Okay, well let's inspect it after throwing it around. It has obviously some grass on it. It did not break open, and honestly, I don't even really see any scratches. Now it was in the grass, wasn't throwing it on like concrete or rocks or anything, but oh, there's like a tiny baby scratch right here. Can't even see it. The wheels are still working, and I even purposely tried to throw it where it landed on the wheels just to see how they would hold up, and it did great. So if we get up close, you can see there's some like grass stuck in here, but this like metal plate really protects the corners really well. And there's not even really any scratches that I can see that's on it. It's obviously wet, but that comes off super fast. The grass is a little wet, so that's where that comes from. This still looks good. Handle still intact. This still works. Okay, I just threw some water on it because I wanted to test the seam and how well it does. So let's open it up and see if anything on the inside got wet. And The verdict is that it's mainly still on the outside of the suitcase. Now there is a little bit right here, but that could honestly just be from when I opened it up and like little droplets getting in, because everything else is dry on the inside. The water really is just right here on the outside. So my overall verdict is that this is a really good suitcase. It honestly has everything that I look for in a good suitcase. Wheels being a major piece of that. It's also really durable. I mean, you saw me throw it around in the backyard and it held up really great. I did already take this on one trip and I'm still technically traveling. Like, this is still the suitcase I'm using right now and I haven't had any issues with it. This is the 24-inch. This is their medium size. They also have a carry-on and an even larger size. This is the perfect size for me. This is the size I typically travel with if I am checking a bag. Otherwise, I will do carry-on only. They also have other colors. So this is the charcoal gray, but they also have a silver gray if you want a lighter suitcase. But I really think after having just used this for like a week now, this is a really durable suitcase. Like, this is one that you're gonna purchase and be able to use for years. So thank you, LuggeX, for sending this to me and asking me to test it. I was pretty skeptical at first because I do have my favorite suitcases that I tend to travel with, but I've been really happy using this on my current trip. So thank you for sending it to me. I will put links down in the description if you want to check it out for yourself, and happy travels. Yeah. Ready for some new luggage? Check out the link in the description for gear that won't quit on you.